In this tutorial, we shall go over how to post and navigate through the articles section of Community. What you first need to do is log in, and depending on what community that you logged in with is based upon how they set it up. But for the sake of this demo, we put it on the front page so we can find everything for the ease of use for our demonstration purposes. Click on Articles, and if you notice on the Articles section, let me scroll down a little bit. You'll see, you won't see this because I have the admin, so that's one reason why we see it today. You'll see the main, which is this main page right here. It'll have all the categories based upon whatever categories your community owner has added. And then you can hit search to search articles by title. You can manage the articles that you've already previously have written. This is where you would post an articles, which will come back here. RSS feed is to add this feed to other websites or allow others to do the same. And then this is to be added to your favorites, which is found here. So what you would do is you would hit post article, and they will open you up. Open you up in a WYSIWYG. So for this purpose, I'm not gonna. We'll just general. It'll be general. You have to add a category in order for it to work. I'm going to put in general articles just for the sake of our demonstration. You put a title in there, how to use this website. I spelled it wrong. All right. Then you can put the headline date, start date, end date, the author, and then from there you can write a short summary. Say, for instance, you use the source of the article where, so you can put the source of the article. You can also use the source of the article's URL. So the good thing about that is it's good for something called backlinks. It's backlinks, and this is where if you put that information there, when Google's looking for the subject matter, it'll pick this up as well and pull your article up because based upon the article that you used. This is called a WYSIWYG editor, which is called What You See Is What You Get, and this is how you use. This is what you use. We have a separate tutorial on that, so you can look at the tutorials there to understand how to do that. So what you do is you just type in here how to use this web site. For instance, you can add images, you can add short code for HTML. You can add a link for video. Right now we don't do video uploads. So say for instance from YouTube, you can either get the YouTube code there or you can embed it. For the embed code, you can put it there. If you want to bold it, you can use the bolds, italics. If you notice, every time I mouse over, you see what it is. Underline, color. This is the color of, say for instance, you want to change the color. You can change the color to whatever color you want. You can make it larger. Here's the font sizes. You can center it. You can change the fonts in here. You can find and replace. If you're writing a long article and you want to find and replace a word, you can do that. If you want to undo something and redo, you can paste, copy, and cut. And so in there, if you want to add a table, what you do is you let's go here and do this, and then you would table. You can do this is across, this is down. It creates a table. So you can delete the table there. You can add rows, delete rows and columns based upon what you want to do within the WYSIWYG editor. So we'll put the whole table, and then you have the option of adding 5 images. Again, for SEO purposes, keywords, meta tags, meta tag description is important if you want your article to be seen by Google. So make sure you take the time to do that. We have other videos and not videos. There's other how-tos on what is SEO and what is tags and as well as keywords and so forth. When you're done, look over the article again. Make sure you have the category. Make sure you have the all this is there. You can have this as long as you want, as short as you want, depending on what it's all about. You can foretell the date to publish in the future, and then this is the publish now and the date again, author's name and so forth, and then you just go down once you've done everything and hit save. This I think it's not going to go through because these are short. Yep, short summary. We copy and paste it here. If you notice, it'll give you, if something's not there that needs to be there, like here, it'll be in red. It says summary is required. So I just copy and paste it again just for the sake of our tutorial. Then again, go down at the bottom, click Save. And once it's saved, you can find it by going to the main page. Go to general, the category that you wrote the article in, and there it is. And what will happen is the very first picture by default will go here. So very first image will go there. As well as you start uploading pictures, you can go and make whatever picture as default. If you want to read more, this is for the more articles you write, it'll have more. Or actually, if you want to read more in this section here, I'm so sorry. So you click here to see the article, and it opens it up. And there's the article here. You can post them on, share them on these social medias. You can allow folks to leave comments, to leave a comment and post it. The more people post, the more folks are interested in it. You can also, other folks that are reading the article can also rate it. If you want to manage it, you will click on Manage Articles. Scroll down. Find, this was dated, this is dated today. So I wrote all these other ones too, so I apologize. So click and open it up. And if you want to edit the article, there you are. You can make your changes to it again. Save your, click down and save your work. This is how you add and subtract, add, delete, and edit articles. See you in the next tutorial.